In this video, we'll show you what to do if the phone link app is not opening on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So to fix this, first head to the search menu and then type in phone link. Now here right click on the first result and then select app settings from the list. Now in the settings app that opens, you will need to scroll down and then click on this terminate option. So this will close the phone link app completely. Now scroll down and then click on this repair option. So what this will do is fix any problems with the app that may be causing it to not open. So wait for this process to complete and then try opening phone link again. If it still doesn't work, you need to click on this reset option to reset the app. Additionally, you should also head to the Microsoft Store and then search for any updates for the phone link app. If an update is available, make sure to install it. However, if nothing else works, what you can do is type in PowerShell and then select this run as administrator option. Now in the PowerShell window, you'll need to run this command. So I'll also leave it in the description. So simply copy this command from the description and then paste it here and then hit enter. Once you have done that, simply restart your PC and your issue should be resolved. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.